Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today, I want to talk about something that affects your money, your freedom, and your future, your credit. Let's break down why having good credit isn't just nice to have, it's essential. Most people don't realize this, but good credit literally makes your life cheaper. When your credit score is high, lenders trust you more, and that shows as lower interest rates, lower monthly payments, lower deposits on utilities, apartments, and even cell phone plans. Two people can buy the exact same car, the exact same day, and the person with better credit might pay thousands less over time. Good credit isn't just about access, it's about keeping more money in your pocket. Number two, good credit gives you options. Credit is really about leverage and choice. When you have good credit, you don't have to take the first offer that comes your way. You can shop around, negotiate, pick what fits your life. Want to buy a home, start a business, get a rental car without a huge deposit, travel and book hotels easily? Your credit score opens doors or shuts them. The difference between approved and denied can often come down to how you've managed your credit. Number three, credit impacts more than just money. Here's something most people overlook: your credit can impact your job opportunities, your insurance rates, and even your ability to rent a home. Many employers and landlords look at your credit as a sign of responsibility. It's not just a number, it's a reflection of your financial habits and discipline. Number four, good credit creates peace of mind. Life happens, emergencies happen, opportunities come fast. When you have strong credit, you don't panic. You have options. Need to replace a car? Need to cover an unexpected expense? Need to take advantage of a business opportunity? Good credit gives you the confidence to make those moves without stress. Number five, good news. Here's the best part: you can improve your credit starting today. Pay on time, keep balances low, don't open accounts that you don't need, and stay consistent. Good credit isn't just for the wealthy, it's for anyone who decides to take control. In closing, if you want more tips on building and leveraging credit the right way, make sure you follow and stay tuned. Your future self will thank you. Have a great day.